Hey guys, it's Mr. Pavlovich. I hope all is well in cyber world and at your houses. And I hope you guys are getting out and walking your dog and being nice to your parents and, giving your sister or brother a break because they're annoyed with you too. All right? All right? Facts, hard facts. Okay, I have a couple things I wanted to say, and that is that I realized that Renaissance assessment was pretty long. Some of you took it up to like 7 times, and I realized that you had to put answers for every single time you took that times 30. So that was pretty tedious, and I didn't really think about that one. And I want to appreciate that so many of you turned it in. Like probably 28 out of every class turned it in, which we have a class of 30, so there was a couple exceptions, but awesome. I appreciate it. Um, Next thing I want to tell you is that, yeah, if you need to make something up, please do it. Grades I'm going to be issuing usually on Fridays for the week, so it's going to be credit, no credit for most things. So, and that's the way it's going to be for this distance learning part. Let's see, what else? All the assignments will be due on Friday, including your makeup work. I'm going to try to assign them on Tuesday. Miss Gross and I are going to try to assign them on Tuesday, and they'll be due for the week on Friday. We will, though, be sending out reminders on Thursday if we see that you haven't done it, just to make sure that you're staying on track. And really what I want to recommend for you, and something that I'm doing for myself, is because, days start to kind of mold into each other, right? Have a schedule for yourself. It means you're going to have to get up and have breakfast and start doing work at a certain time every day. Really helps me because, things start to kind of like jello together each day. And it just helps to have some organization to your day and a schedule. So Tuesdays and Thursdays are when I'm available. You can email me, you can just send me a comment through Google Classroom or ask me a direct question through Google Classroom. It emails me every time you do that. So I'll be trying to get back to you as soon as possible, or Miss Gross. Let's see. This week, the Reformation unit. So you guys did a little vocabulary assignment on the Reformation. The whole point of the Reformation is that basically, at the time in the Middle Ages, you remember that the Catholic Church was the only church. And during the Reformation, it's called the Protestant Reformation, people started questioning the church because of its corruption, basically. One of the main things was the church officials were accepting indulgences to get out of purgatory. So an indulgence was just like this document. Basically, you could buy in order to get you or your relatives who have passed out of this middle area called purgatory. Middle area being between heaven and hell. And you would have to pay off your sins in purgatory. So anyone who could afford it wouldn't have to go to purgatory. Anyone who couldn't afford it would have to go. And so that was a big problem. People started saying, wait a minute. That doesn't mean I'm a bad Christian, right? If I'm poor. So people started really questioning. The main guy in question is going to be Martin Luther, and you're going to be learning about him today. He actually hangs 95 theses on a church in Wittenberg, which are 95 reasons why he thinks the Catholic Church is corrupt. But this selling of this document called an indulgence was at the forefront. At any rate, this week you're going to be listening to some notes that Miss Gross recorded, and you're going to be filling in some blanks, and that should maybe take you about 20 minutes, maybe 30. And then you're going to be doing a timeline. It should take you probably about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're going to be doing a video and then a FaceTime thing asking Martin Luther 3 questions, and he's going to respond with 3 answers. So I'm thinking the whole total for work this week will probably be about an hour and a half-ish. So just keep that in mind. It would be good if you shot for getting things turned in by Thursday. But of course, they're not actually due until Friday. But I will be sending you a reminder if they're not in by Thursday. So, let's see. Hey, you guys, stay fresh. Take a shower. Brush your teeth. Jack, please, brush your teeth. I hope you guys are doing good. Stay healthy. Be nice to your pets. Make some good food. Help your mom and dad with something. Actually, dump the trash. Clean your room. Do something creative. I don't know. I miss you guys. I hope all is well. And we'll see you next week. Every Monday I'll be doing one of these. So, hope all is well. Bye.